Imagine towing a travel trailer that's compact, lightweight, and loaded with features you'd expect in something twice its size. Sounds like a dream for weekend warriors and full-timers alike, right? Let me introduce you to the 2024 Forest River Rockwood Geo Pro, G20FKS, a small but mighty travel trailer that proves you don't have to go big to go bold. If you're looking for a rig that's easy to tow but still delivers on comfort and functionality, stick around. The G20FKS might just be the perfect fit for your next camping adventure. If you've ever wanted a travel trailer that gives you residential vibes without the weight, the Geo Pro G20FKS is worth a serious look. Weighing in at around 3,500 pounds dry, it's light enough to be towed by many SUVs and mid-sized trucks. But don't let the size fool you. This trailer is packed with high-end features, including a front kitchen slide-out, something rarely seen in smaller trailers. Let's start with that front kitchen. It's surprisingly spacious, featuring solid surface countertops, a 3-burner cooktop, an oven, microwave, deep sink, and a large 12-volt fridge. It gives you plenty of prep space and storage, which is a game-changer for foodies who love to cook even while camping. And the slide-out opens up the living space to give you more room to relax. Inside, you'll also find a jackknife sofa, or optional theater seating, a freestanding table, and a 60 by 74-inch bed located in the rear corner, providing a cozy spot to rest after a long day of exploring. The TV and entertainment center are perfectly placed for easy viewing, and the trailer is prepped with Wi-Fi booster and solar, making it ideal for off-grid adventures. Now the bathroom is another pleasant surprise. It's a 3-piece setup with a shower, foot-flush toilet, and vanity with a medicine cabinet, all in a private enclosed space. It's more than enough to keep you comfortable without having to rely on campground facilities. So, what's the catch? Well, space is well optimized, but it's still a compact trailer. If you're traveling with a larger group, it might feel a bit tight. And while it's packed with features, the storage, both inside and out, requires smart packing to keep things tidy. But if you're after a lightweight trailer with tons of functionality and sleek design, the G20FKS really shines. So, should you consider the 2024 Forest River Rockwood Geo Pro G20FKS? If you want a travel trailer that's easy to tow, thoughtfully designed, and packed with features, this model is a top contender. From its spacious front kitchen to its off-grid capabilities, it's ready to take on weekend trips or even extended stays with ease. Want to learn more? Hit the link in the description to check out full specs and dealership options. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like, and if you're new here, subscribe for more travel trailer reviews just like this one. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you tow the Geo Pro G20FKS on your next camping trip? Next week, we're checking out the 2025 Winnebago Micro Mini FLX, a travel trailer built for true off-grid living. Hit that bell icon so you don't miss it. See you in the next video.